Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to IP ban a user on Discord. If you have ever dealt with toxic members who disrupt your community, Discord's moderation features are essential. I am going to guide you through the process of executing a ban that specifically blocks a user's IP address, ensuring they cannot simply return by creating a secondary account. To begin, open the Discord desktop application or visit their official website. If you are not already signed in, you will see the login screen. Enter the email address associated with your account, making sure it is the one you used during registration. Next, input your password carefully, keeping in mind that you must type it exactly as it was created. If you have forgotten your credentials, you can use the reset link. Once your information is entered, click the login button to enter the app. From your main landing page, which shows your direct messages and join communities, look at the server list on the left. Select the specific server where you want to perform the ban. Keep in mind that you need the ban member's permission or administrative rights to do this. Now, find the individual you wish to remove by looking through the member list or the chat history. Right-click on their username to open the context menu and select the ban option. After selecting ban, you will be prompted to provide a reason. While this is not strictly required, it is a professional practice that helps other moderators understand why the action was taken. You can choose a preset reason or write a custom explanation. Finally, click the ban button once more to confirm. This removes the user and automatically blocks their IP address, preventing them from rejoining with a different account on the same connection. Use these tools judiciously, as a warning or a temporary mute might sometimes be more appropriate. Maintaining clear rules and open communication is vital for healthy community management. IP banning is a powerful way to keep your server safe when used responsibly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other server owners. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your online communities effectively.